Okay students, welcome back. Now we will study Fleming's left hand rule. Fleming has correlated the how to find out the direction of magnetic field, magnetic force and current. He has correlated it with the help of his left hand. In case of electric motor, we are using Fleming's left hand rule, and in case of generator, we are using Fleming right hand rule. The name of the scientist is Fleming. You have to hold your left hand in such a manner that all three are perpendicular to one another. Thumb, forefinger and current. I repeat, your thumb of your left hand, thumb, forefinger and center finger are perpendicular to one another. You have to keep your left hand in this position as I have kept, and there is a small hint of it which I have made. This is father, mother, child. Thumb is representing father, forefinger is representing mother and center finger is representing child. It will be helpful for you in learning the correct position. I am repeating the rule again. If you are keeping your left hand in such a manner that all three, thumb, forefinger and center finger perpendicular to one another, then thumb gives you the direction of magnetic force or motion. Forefinger gives you the direction of magnetic field of lines, and center finger gives you the direction of current. Now listen to my hint. Father, mother, child, thumb for father, which gives you the direction of magnetic force or motion, and the direction in which the conductor rotates is same as the direction of thumb. That is the direction in which the magnetic force is applied. Mother means forefinger. It gives you the direction of magnetic field of lines which are always from north to south. And center finger, child, it gives you the direction of current. Now we will correlate this rule with the help of kicking wire experiment. Right? You can see you have to keep your left hand in such a manner. I've taken this wall on which the board is there. This as the north side, and the wall that side is south. And to my right hand, if I'm keeping my face towards the north hand, then towards my right hand this is east, and on my left hand this is west. Right? You consider, if you want to judge the position from a point, you understand that you are standing in Madhya Pradesh, your face is towards Himachal, towards Jammu and Kashmir, that is north, your back is towards south, and on right hand side Kolkata is there, left hand side Mumbai is there. Right? You know Mumbai are western parts, so west direction is toward that side. Okay? That is just a simple example. Now correlate your Fleming left hand rule with this. Here the center finger is current which is moving upward, and current is going from positive to negative end. And direction of, you have to keep it like this because this ball is representing north. Now please see it. As magnetic field line goes from north to south, this conductor, magnetic force, it is moving towards the right side. Hence, the wire position is AB dash. And if you will change the direction of current by keeping the battery opposite, then obviously the direction of magnetic force will be on different side. With the help of this simple technique and Fleming left hand rule, you can study kicking wire experiment direction.